Alright, here we are at the same house on Davis Island, and we're going to take a look at why it is important to walk around your house once in a while and do a little maintenance on it. This is his air conditioning lines. There's two of them. We're just going to pull it and see what we got. Oh, I mean, gosh, it is, ooh, that is nasty. It is totally nasty, compacted slime. This is how your AC line is supposed to drain. See that nasty stuff? That is supposed to be your primary AC line. It's supposed to drain. It has a couple 3 or 4 ton units. They'll do 5-6 gallons on a humid day. Obviously they need to be cleaned out. We will notate that for the customer, but definitely bad stuff. So make sure you check your ACs, have your AC guy come over, but double check that your condensate lines, those lines that pull the moisture out of the house or that direct the moisture out of the house, they should be flushed at least once a year, if not twice. So make sure you maintain them, folks.